Hey friends, let's put together an easy last-minute Christmas gift for teachers. Let's start with the base. These cute pre-gifted holiday bags are from Burlington. They always have such good seasonal gift sets and they save so much time during the holidays. Next, let's add a card. This seasonal card is from Target and I love how easy it is to find something thoughtful there. And this is such a cute little touch, a Snowman gift card holder from Target. It matches the bag perfectly and makes the gift feel extra special. Now let's add something cozy. This holiday tea set from Sprouts comes with a variety of teas, which is perfect for winter and something most teachers really enjoy. I'm also adding this milk chocolate peanut butter popcorn from Sprouts. It's such a fun treat and easy to tuck into a gift bag. Now let's finish with the mug. This festive mug is from World Market and it ties everything together so nicely. I'm adding some shredded paper to fill everything in, then wrapping it up with clear wrapping so you can still see all the goodies inside. And just like that, you have a super easy, thoughtful teacher gift that looks beautiful but didn't take much time at all. Thank you so much for doing this with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more easy gift ideas and mom life contents. And I'll see you in the next one.